Hi folks, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new 2020 Coachmen Apex. This is a 213 RDS model. It's got a little small slide, not a big slide, a nice small slide. It's a smaller trailer, super lightweight. Dry weight on this is 2,851 pounds, can't beat that. We got the diamond plate up front here for protection for rock chips. It's got solar ready. A nice pass-through storage, take a peek in there. Nice big power awning. 2 speakers with LED lights. A big grab handle here. And let's go on inside and take a look. As you come into this unit, it's got the dinette back here in the rear, which is kind of cool. If you back up to a river or ocean or somewhere, you got some nice views when you're sitting down eating. It's got a lot of nice storage. There's some storage right under here. Another storage compartment under here. Cool little dinette that makes into a bed. This is a nice little sofa that also will make into a little jackknife bed. Then if you come in, nice little kitchen, good counter space. Lots of good storage here on both sides. More storage here. It's got a spot to put a little television if you want to up here. Refrigerator, freezer. And if you come back, I'll let you take a peek into that awesome little bathroom. Nice little shower, toilet, medicine cabinet. Good place to put everything. Now this unit even has a little walk around bed, which is nice. Nice closet in here on both sides. A little end table here for you to put your phone or your CPAP, and you got a lot of storage underneath as well. For a small trailer, this is a great little unit. So a small SUV can tow this. It's great for just a young couple looking to go camping, maybe with 1 or 2 other people. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.